111 Coleman's located in the Shem Creek district that has restaurants and retail components to it. Very high tourism area. As Charleston's grown, Mount Pleasant's grown, which has only fueled the demand for parking. Early on, we were having a lot of equipment failures. There were 20, 30 cars stacked, people honking behind people. We'd have 911 calls. Even 911 would tell them, just break the gate and leave. The rest of our revenue for the day, literally drive out the open gate. We used, human beings to stop the gate breakage. And that was just to get people in faster so we could maintain the traffic. In the first year, we had a lot of lost revenue. It was hundreds of thousands of dollars in the first year. And so we started to know we had to do this a different way. My name is Tyler Flesh, a property developer and asset manager for Institutional Capital. My partners and I developed the building, designed it, 45,000 feet of office space with 234 spaces and 2 levels of structured parking. Our equity partner had heard of AirGarage, introduced me to you guys. Truthfully, my initial thought was resistance. I'm like, there's no gates. People are just gonna leave. What it took was when we got in there, we really tracked the numbers closely. And as an owner, I can tell you our loss is significantly reduced with AirGarage and the enforcement that we have. The marketplace hadn't experienced dynamic pricing or variable pricing model. It's not just one algorithm or one set of dynamics. We've been able to work with you to adjust to day of the week or by the seasonality of where we are. We saw a 30 to 40% increase in revenue in the garage in the first year, and that's maintained itself moving forward. There's not been a fall off. We were a little concerned that we would alienate folks as they used it. As the restaurants were busy and the garage filled up, we found our patrons didn't mind paying a little extra as it was harder to find a parking space. It's been an incredible boost to our revenue. And what we found in time is people know they can't just pull in here. The app, the system, the license plate technology is really watching. There's other text apps that are out there that there's no enforcement. It's all on a trust system or it's all on the threat of enforcement. You guys actually enforce. There's a picture of your license plate. They know who you are. They know how many times you violated and they take action. To the people that are the first timers here, they find out should they not pay pretty quickly. There are enforcement agents in our projects at all times of the day. I like the flexibility of being able to ticket versus put a boot on someone's car versus, you have a lot of optionality on how you treat the violators. You guys have a multitude of options. We became believers that you can have enforcement. You don't need the barricade, the gate. Those kind of things aren't necessary. We're making more money without the gates and AirGarage in place. For us, it wasn't just about making money or cutting the costs maybe on the gates, but for us, it was our customer experience. The experience for our parker has been great when you pull into our facility. Numerous signs everywhere. QR codes on every sign. You simply take a picture, it leads you to the app to pay. It's really that simple. It's 2 entries and you're out the door as a customer. Once you're in the system, you can come back to our facility. The auto start feature, where you pull into the garage, it remembers you, it'll start you back up. Once they get hit with an auto start, they know you can't pull in here and not pay. It will start you. For our office tenants, they used to have the fobs or the key cards. Now they pull in their parking spot, they don't do anything. And people love the convenience of it. The other thing that's valuable is data. Depending on your type of facility and what you're doing, that could be critical information. And when you pull up the dashboard, I want to know who's parking here. I want to know how many repeat customers I have, the current rate, how much revenue was in, and auto starts. Maybe what can we do better if we have lots of repeats versus lots of first-time parkers. Depending on your type of facility and what you're doing, that could be critical information. There's reporting down to the day for every month, going back historically since we've been with AirGarage. And it's also, you can download it into different formats. It's all at a touch of fingertip as an owner. You also have a rating system. And we see that as owners, real-time feedback from the customers on how we might do things better or how we're doing something really well. As an owner, if I told you had a chance to enhance your revenue 30, 40, 50%, you should do that in a heartbeat. Leave your equipment in place. If it doesn't work for you, you can always go back to the way you ran it. We never went back. The equipment was gone within several months. Every parking facility has its challenges. Anytime we had a unique challenge, you guys worked to solve it. Just adapting to what comes and maybe things we haven't thought of yet that will come. We're in business with you. When we succeed, you succeed. Your monetary success is tied to my monetary success. And that is a powerful driver for me in knowing that you'll put our best foot forward on all aspects of the operation. This is the peak point for me as an owner with AirGarage.